Hello everyone, this is Logan22 here, so I kind of stumbled on that. I'm doing another review on the Parachucks at 3179. I'm trying to fix my focus still, but I got a little bit better in its quality. So, you know, you get the guy with glasses. Kind of see it. I'm gonna have then camera doesn't want to work. Let's see what this button does. Button does nothing. No. Oh no. Anyway, yeah. So you get this one minifigure. He is in the construction outfit kind of thing. You get his head, and you get a hard hat. So, yeah, cool minifigure. I will start with this light post that we do out. I'm gonna remove the truck. I'm gonna remove the box. So, we're going to put that up board. First, move that. Okay, so as you can see, the light post is actually almost a scale model to a thing on a box. And, you know, one nice addition to any LEGO City. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep that at what it was, because you do get this little trash can. Being recycling, LEGO promotes recycling, obviously. Move this back in. The main feature of the set is this truck. It's got a little ladder. You know, the guy does easily fit in it. So all you had to do is get him, put him in, and wait, I'm gonna move my camera back again. Actually, I'm gonna take it out. It's hold. See, that's right. Oh, wow. So yeah, you get the little like crane that you can see on the box back there. Wait, I messed it up. No. So yeah. Also you get these two boxes. And you have all these tools in here. You have a screwdriver. You have a wrench right here. You have that's a wrench. I forgot the name of that tool. You get a power drill. And you get a oil thing. So what here is the two little extra light bulbs, I guess. No, not extra set. They are actually like extra light bulbs that you guys would have. You can, it's set on a box. It shows that you can take this part off right here and place it on your wheel, which is, you know, it's kind of nice. So now let's get to the cabin of a truck. You have a little sticker there. This set doesn't have very many stickers on it. Okay, it's an official fail. Yeah. So you take the roof off, like you do on most of the LEGO City vehicles. Or if you really try hard, you can probably open a door and do it. Sorry, bye. So, sorry if I'm shaking a bit, because I have to do holding this with one hand while putting a minifig in with the other. Okay, so there he is. It fits perfectly, even though I only have one side. Why do I? Okay, see, you know, it goes pretty well over studs. Yeah. So pretty much it was set. Yeah, put that there. we have is, oh, I want to show you guys the instructions on this one. The instructions I like because it's like this little magazine that you know, it's not like the normal ones where they're like rectangle. It's actually just like little magazine type thing, so kind of cool. So 5 through 12, you got set number right there, and that guy can, you know, like I say in all my videos, over the languages, you know, little mini panorama. Yeah, so you can kind of see what you can do for truck. It's no one in it. Why is it up? So yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day. And yeah, bye.